Anine, welcome to Winnipeg, where our warm and friendly spirit awaits.
Where there's something for everyone. Start at our most popular tourist spot, the Forks, for dining, shopping, and fun. Also the future home of the Canadian Museum for Human Rights.
Then explore our many museums and attractions for a look into our city's past.
With hundreds of restaurants, concerts, and sporting events like the Winnipeg Jet.
This is a national emergency for EAS, the Dominion of Canada. Since exactly 7 months ago, on July 1st, 2022, I regained my independence from the California girls. But anyways, this is a national emergency. This is CTV. We will continue to broadcast for as long as possible at 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. 37 nuclear missiles from the country of California run by the California girls were detected by NORAD in Colorado Springs in the country of Colorado. Domestic targets are Winnipeg, Vancouver, Edmonton, Whitehorse, Quebec City, and Toronto. International targets are Buenos Aires, Santiago de Chile, Bogotá, Greater London, Tokyo, Beijing, Shanghai, Mexico City, New York City, Pyongyang, Moscow, Istanbul, Berlin, Madrid, Barcelona, Rome, Sydney, Chicago, Paris, Dublin, Rio de Janeiro, New Delhi, Baghdad, Abu Dhabi, Cairo, and Bangkok. Seek shelter now.
C'est une urgence nationale pour moi, le Dominion du Canada. Depuis exactement 7 mois, le 1er juillet 2022, j'ai retrouvé mon indépendance vis-à-vis des California Girls. Mais, de toute façon, c'est une urgence nationale. C'est CTV que nous allons continuer à diffuser aussi longtemps que possible à 21h50, heure normale du centre. 37 missiles nucléaires du pays de la Californie dirigés par la Californie des filles ont été détectés par NORAD à Colorado Springs au pays du Colorado. Les cibles nationales sont Winnipeg, Vancouver, Edmonton, Whitehorse, Ville de Québec et Toronto. Les cibles internationales sont Buenos Aires, Santiago du Chili, Bogota, le Grand Londres, Tokyo, Pékin, Shanghai, Ville de Mexico, New York, Pyongyang, Moscou, Istanbul, Berlin, Madrid, Barcelone, Rome, Sydney, Chicago, Paris, Dublin, Rio de Janeiro, New Delhi, Bagdad, Abu Dhabi, Le Caire et Bangkok. Cherchez un abri maintenant.
National alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the government of the country of Israel. Nukes are heading to Israel from the California girls. Targets are Jerusalem, Eilat, Acre, Tel Aviv, Haifa, Ashdod, and Nazareth. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is being transported to a safe location in Israel. Go to shelter. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a radio, and a flashlight.